Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is compilation of cornrow. Yes, the cornrow. Why cornrow? Because cornrow is one of the easiest style to achieve, at the same time so easy to pull down, and sometimes depend on the cornrow, if there's no extension on it, you can also wear it under your wigs. So that is why cornrow will always be most ladies' favorite. Yeah, if I want to go simple, I just take cornrow, like just what you see right now. This kind of cornrow, she can wear wigs on it if she doesn't have extension at the back. Yeah, so we have different types of cornrow. We have the big cornrow. There's so many benefits of wearing a big cornrow, but this you're seeing right now, this is a small cornrow and a kind of a ponytail cornrow. Yeah, it can be a bit complicated wearing it, and also pulling it down, it can be so stressful because it's time consuming, unlike the big cornrow that has a big strands. Yes, so easy to make. At the same time, if you get tired of it, you can just wake up one morning and pull them down. Yeah, so that is one advantage I love so much with the big cornrow. This braid style has so bold approach to classic hairstyle for black women and can be dressed up with any accessories or left bare for a more natural feel. Yeah, you can decide to not wear makeup or wear earrings whenever you're wearing having a big cornrow. We also have the side cornrow, like what you're seeing right now, like the lemonade looks that Beyonce has been known to rock. Yeah, Beyonce loves the side cornrow. So side cornrow braids are stylish, cool, and also braid side of the hair for a dramatic undercut, or add thick braids to the smaller cornrow. Either way, you will dazzle with the diversity that the braided hairstyle offers. Yeah, so I don't know, like this particular cornrow you see now, this is on a type 1. Yeah, this is type 1B or C hair. Yeah, there are different ways you can cornrow your hair, whatever hair texture you have. Far gone are those days when people say, okay, cornrow is perfect on type 4C hair. Yeah, like many years back, like during the 90s, when you see people cornrowing their hair, they always feel like it's perfect for a 4A down to 4C hair. But these days, type 1 hair can also cornrow. Yeah, there's this particular cornrow braid that I love so much, that is so easy to wear and doesn't last so long compared to the smaller cornrow. Yeah, this is the two-side cornrow. Yeah, two-side cornrow braids. I love it so much, and it's so easy to maintain. You can also use a gel to keep it looking good. Yes, if you feel like your undergrowth is bulging out, yeah, so you can use a gel to make it look neat and gorgeous. So guys, this brings me to the point where I urge you all to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, very important, you need to subscribe because your girl needs to grow. Yeah, I will see you right after this video. welcome back, guys. Thank you for watching my video down to this stage. If you see any style that you love, I'm about to give my video a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, and share my video. I will see you in my next upload. Bye bye.